Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Hello Elementor in WordPress. This lightweight theme is perfect for building custom websites with Elementor, as it provides a clean foundation without any unnecessary styling or features that might slow down your site. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard. Simply open your browser and log in using your admin credentials. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your site, including themes, plugins, and content. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options available in the left sidebar. Now navigate to Appearance in that left sidebar menu, and from the drop-down options, click on Themes. This section displays all the themes currently installed on your WordPress site, including your active theme and any others you might have previously installed. It's your central hub for managing the visual appearance of your website. At the top of the Themes page, you'll see an Add New button. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the WordPress theme directory, where you can browse thousands of free themes available for installation. The directory makes it incredibly easy to find and install themes without leaving your dashboard. Once you're on the Add New page, look for the search bar at the top right. Type Hello Elementor into this search bar. WordPress will instantly filter the results to show you themes matching your search query. This search function saves you time by narrowing down the vast library to exactly what you need. In the search results, you'll see the Hello Elementor theme appear. It's developed by Elementor.com and is specifically designed to work seamlessly with the Elementor page builder. When you find it, click the Install button that appears on the theme card. WordPress will now download and install the theme files directly to your website. The installation process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, the Install button will change to an Activate button. Click Activate to make Hello Elementor your site's active theme. This means your website will now use Hello Elementor as its design framework, replacing whatever theme was previously active. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Hello Elementor theme on your WordPress site. Your website